So shrubs extend your season of interest in the garden because some flower early in the year and some would flower later in the year. They provide a brilliant backbone. But when you think about adding colour to the garden, it's not just the vibrancy of the colour that may complement the other plants you have in your garden, it's the actual impact colour can have on us. For example, red stimulates the appetite. Yellow stimulates your adrenal glands. Yellow is really, really good to give you a bit of a perk up. I think of yellow like a cup of coffee. So lots of people might plant blue in their garden because they're looking for a calming tone. Blue is also a very spiritual colour, but looking at blue helps us cool down. There's a psychosomatic impact that happens when we experience blue. And finally, green. I mean, green makes a great foil for any colour plant in your garden, but green on its own, looking at the colour green, lowers systolic blood pressure. So green is a very healthy plant to have in your garden. The eye is receptive to more shades of green than any other colour, and it's for that reason. So here we are now with one of my favourite garden plants. It's the witch hazel. Bang in season now, March and April, in full flower. And these real unusual, funky looking flowers look wonderful in anybody's garden, real exotic feel to them. Really, really interesting fact about them is that this is where your witch hazel cleanser comes from. And you can harvest these flowers at this time of the year and make a distillate. And that's simply, you can boil them up at home and gather the steam water off it, and that becomes an astringent, which is perfect for cleansing the skin, for drying up wounds, and for all different sorts of beauty treatments.